Hi, boys and girls. Here we go. Another ESP. Let's find out our new sound. I can read and spell words with the rhyme ang. So I'm happy to finally see a rhyme again, and we'll talk about that in just a second. You know by now you're going to be finger spelling, and a rhyme is an ending that you add an onset to or a letter, and you make a word. So, for example, ang says ang. And if I added an S to it, I would get ang, sang. Now, if I made another ang word, like I added a b to ang, what would I get? Bang. And those two words, bang and sang, rhyme because rhyming words are words that have the same ending. So here are some examples of rhyming words. We just talked about two of them. But notice that a rhyming word doesn't just have the same letter, one letter at the end, it has the same sound at the end. And ang is called a rhyme because every word with an ang is a rhyming word. So we have ang, bang, ang, sang, ang, fang. All three of those words rhyme because they all have ang. This B is called an onset. This S is called an onset. This F is called an onset. Or a letter we put on the rhyme to make a word. So let's take a look at some ang words. When we do say ang, we do only use one finger. So one finger for all three letters. So ang goes on one finger. So let's do the top two. Let's put our thumb up and start. Here we go. Ang, bang. Ang, rang. Let's do the next two. Ang, hang. Ang, hanger. Now notice the word rang and hanger do not rhyme, and that is because hanger has an ending. So we added this ER to hang to make a word, and we got hanger. It does not rhyme with rang anymore because of that ending, so be careful. The bottom two, let's do it. Fingers up. Ang, pang. If you have a pang in your stomach, that means you have a pain or something is hurting you. And last one, ang, clang. So remember, ang says ang. It goes on one finger. You keep it all together. It's called a rhyme. So we have some review words here. Ang says ang. Do you remember what EA said yesterday? EA says ah. And here we have the E reaching over to make the O say O. So let's go straight across the top row. Fingers up. Ang, sang. Health. Home. Next one. We have OI says oi. Double Z says z. DGE says ja. All right, let's do it all the way across. Oi, foil. Is, biz. Ledge. So obviously biz is a nonsense word, which means it does not make sense. So foil, biz, and ledge. Remember, DGE does not say duh. All together, they work together and they say ja. All right, let's come down here. ER says WH says and EA says E or A. So let's make it the E sound. Here we go. Thumbs up. Heard. Why. Seal. All right, our bottom one. WA says wow, like a baby crying. Look at this next one. Oh man, this E has two jobs. This E reaches over and makes the A say A, and the CE says S, and OO says ugh. Here we go, bottom row, thumbs up. Want. Place. Hood. All right, it is your turn. Get yourself ready. All of your words are going to have an ANG with them. So if you need to write ANG in the corner, go ahead. If you need to pause, please pause. You can pause as many times as you want. And here's your first word. sang. Let's fingerspell. S-ang, sang. If I say ang slowly, it's ang. We don't say it that slow. We say ang. So go ahead and write me s-ang, sang. S-A-N-G, sang. Here's your next one. Hang. Let's do it. Thumbs up. H-ang, hang. Go ahead. H-ang, hang. H-A-N-G. Awesome. Here's your next one. Symbols do this when you hit them together. Clang. Let's do it. Clang, clang. Clang, clang. C-L-A-N-G. And your last one. Bang. Let's do it. B-ang, bang. Go ahead and write bang. B-A-N-G. Notice all these words are rhyming words. Let's just read them right down. Ready? Here we go. Sang, hang, clang, bang. Awesome job. I want you to pause this video and read them one more time. If you need to sound them out, sound them out. If you just know them, I want you just to read them. Pause the video. Go ahead. Welcome back if you paused. All right, it is your turn. Click next. Practice reading and spelling some words. Now remember, I've been putting stories in here. They're the stories with these sounds in them. So they might be a little tricky for you. Remember to use your finger spelling. If you need help, ask a grown-up, an older brother or sister, or someone in your house for some help. It is super important that you are reading these stories. They are part of your ESP packet, so this is even more practice to make you awesome, awesome, awesome first grade readers and ready for second grade too. Ooh, because we're getting close. We're already in a new year, so keep working hard. You can do it. All right. Thanks for joining me. See you next time, guys.